Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you Google Bard AI chatbot features. Now, as you know, Google Bard has been released right now a couple of days ago, and a lot of people are basically talking about what can Google Bard AI do and not do. Now, before we get started this video, I just want to make sure that you know that Google Bard cannot code. That is something that Google Bard is still not good at, and it's something that ChatGPT is excelling at, right? That's why basically I will show you a couple of features that a Google Bard AI chatbot has. So as you can see, this is basically a website. It's called Mac Rumors right here, and they basically outlined what are the most basically the most notable features for Google Bard AI, as you can see here. So those interested in Bard can join the Google's waitlist. Obviously, you can go here, join the waitlist, right? But here are some simple functions that Google Bard says, that Google Bard can perform. Basically, explain why lightning might strike in the same place twice. Help you write your first novel, which is, great, right? Draft a packaging list for your weekend trip. Outline a blog post about your summer mocktail recipes. Explain why large language models might make mistakes, and generate an art studio tagline. It can also suggest high protein options to add to vegan diet. Now, these are not really the features that you might think that will be on this list, but these are basically the features that Google Bard currently has. Now, if you want to know more about Google Bard, you can also visit the frequently asked questions, right? So as you can see here, basically, can Bard help with coding? Bard can't help you with coding just yet, as you can see right here. You also have other stuff right here, how to make Bard better, how can you use Bard, how many languages does Bard support right now? Bard is only available in US English, right? So it is a limited chatbot AI. It's not yet as ChatGPT, as powerful as ChatGPT, but it is something that is kind of like your AI friend, right? More so than a powerful AI tool overall like ChatGPT. So that's basically it, right? That is some of the features for the AI chatbot, Google Bard AI chatbot. If you have any questions or maybe comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.